Hi, I'm Troy, and my company is GM6 Solutions. We have two different products that we offer, but they're connected in a way. The first product is our photogrammetry mapping services. We use drones to map a client's assets so that they can use the data to document and make accurate measurements of those assets. The second product is training. We teach companies to use the proper data collection method as well as photogrammetry software. Our objective is to teach from real-world experience, not just from a textbook. This allows us to provide a better service. Photogrammetry may not be a new field, but due to better, lower-cost technology, it has become a growing field, and it can be very challenging to learn. We serve a broad range of clients because of the types of products that we provide. Our clients include large land developers, engineering firms, oil and gas, construction companies, and even the public safety sector. One of the largest issues that we have encountered is the file size. We create high-resolution 2-scale maps called raster images. This data can be massive in size because of the quality. Many of the clients that we have worked with don't even use the specialized software needed to view and edit this type of data, not to mention the amount of hard drive space that it takes up. That makes sharing the data extremely difficult, even impossible in some cases. With Indshine's cloud platform, it resolves these issues while staying within our budget. It gives us the ability to share the files with stakeholders while allowing them to view, share, and even annotate in real time. This means that more clients can use our services because it's basically a plug-and-play process now.